Cruise prices for 2026 look like a bargain until you reach the checkout page. If you don't want to pay double for your next trip, you need to watch this. Welcome back to LuxeCheck Official. Planning a cruise is exciting, but the fine print can be a nightmare. Let's break down the 10 hidden costs you must avoid in 2026. Number 10. Automatic Gratuities. Most lines now add a daily service charge of $18 to $25 per person. For a family of 4, that's $500 plus extra. Pro tip: you can often adjust these at the guest services desk if the service wasn't up to par. Number 9. Specialty dining surcharges. The buffet is free, but that exclusive steakhouse isn't. In 2026, cover charges are hitting record highs. Stick to the main dining room to save hundreds. Number 8. Port fees and taxes. The headline price, $499, often excludes port taxes, which can add $150 plus per person. Always look for the total price before clicking book. Number 7. The Wi-Fi trap. Onboard internet is a goldmine for cruise lines. Waiting to buy it on the ship can cost you double. Hack: buy your data plan at least 3 months in advance. Number 6. Banned items. The multi-plug scam. Standard power strips are banned for fire safety. If you bring one, they'll confiscate it and try to sell you an approved one for 3 times the price. Buy a non-surge cruise-approved adapter before you leave. Number 5. Drink gratuities. That unlimited drink package comes with a mandatory 18 to 20% service charge. Unless you drink 6+ cocktails a day, you're likely losing money. Number 4. Overpriced shore excursions. Cruise organized tours are convenient but marked up by 50%. Use reputable third-party sites or local guides to see the same sites for half the price. Number 3. Onboard laundry services. Charging $5 to press a single shirt? It's a classic 2026 trap. Pack wrinkle releaser spray and save your cash for the spa. Number 2. The medical center bill. A 10-minute visit to the ship's doctor can cost $200 plus before medicine. Always pack a cruise first aid kit with basics like seasickness tabs and pain relievers. Number 1. Room service, convenience fees. The days of free 2 a.m. pizza are fading. Most lines now charge a $10 delivery fee. Take a quick walk to the 24-hour buffet instead. Being a smart cruiser in 2026 isn't about being cheap. It's about spending your money on the experiences that actually matter. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more luxury travel secrets. Comment below, where are you cruising in 2026? Thanks for watching LuxeCheck Official.